Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm going to first show you how to get the image of an object that is placed at a distance, at an object distance greater than twice of the focal length. Here I have placed the object. I'm going to point it with the letter O to point it. It is an object, no, we mark it with O. Right, now to draw an image, we are going to know how the image is formed for this particular object. It's called vertical arrow object. Its bottom is kept on the principal axis. Okay, and remember, the light rays coming from the bottom of this will travel along the principal axis. So the bottom of this, the bottom image, but the bottom of the image of this part, the bottom part of the object will be somewhere in the principal axis. It will not go beyond the principal axis. Finding where the head is located, we will decide where the image is located. For that, it's an easy work you are doing. The simple thing it is, from the head, you are drawing a light ray, okay, a light ray parallel to the principal axis. Up to what level you will draw it? You will draw it up to the optical axis. That is common now. You have to draw it up to the optical axis. When the light ray is traveling parallel to the principal axis, you children know that that light ray will be refracted through the focal point this way. Let me complete the arrows first. Okay, so it is going to be completed this manner. Another light ray I am taking from the head and taking it up to the optical center. Right, you children know that one. If a light ray is coming towards the optic center, it will be directed without any bending. Okay, it will be directed without any bending. So this light ray is going to move continuously in this manner, this way. So the two light rays, now say I will draw the arrows here. I will draw the arrows here. Here the arrow mark. Okay, that light ray is traveling along this. Okay, and it travels in this manner. Right. So the two light rays are meeting here. So that is the place where the head image is located. So I am going to draw the image. Head of the image is here. Bottom of the image is on the principal axis. So the image is going to be upside down. Sorry. The image is going to be upside down. The diagram is ready. So I am going to mark the image as capital I. It is going to be image now. So it is capital I. Object is capital O. Image is capital I. So image is ready. Look at the image. Image one property. Image one property. It is smaller than the object. Okay, I am writing here the image properties. Okay, so what are the image properties? One image property smaller than the object. You can see, you can compare. It is smaller than the object. So you can call it diminished. Second image property, it is inverted. What do you mean by inverted? Upside down. Third image property, it is real. How do you say is real? Really, light rays meet to form image. If it is a real image, you can decide, you can fall on screen. Okay, so how many properties I have written? Small one, or it is diminished, it is inverted, it is real, and it can be fallen on screen. You can fall on screen. And what is the image distance? Image distance is greater than focal length and less than twice of focal length. So smaller image, inverted image, real image can fall on screen, and image distance is greater than the focal length and less than the twice of the focal length. So you have to draw this diagram. You have to write these image properties and submit it to me. It is the work for the day for you. Okay. Remember, if it is a real image only, it can be fallen on the screen. If it can be fallen on the screen, it is a real image. Inshallah, in future you will get to know there are certain images cannot be fallen on screen. We'll see inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.